What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the Fortune Hunters ecosystem. So, finally, we have the information about refunds. Okay, so dear Fortune Hunters, okay, please read the image carefully. It details both the timeline and process for the FOF refund votes and subsequent forget about it. This the disbursement of funds subs, subsequent 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 damn. Why is it so hard to read this thing? Subsequent disbursement. Okay, let's try one more time. It details both the timeline and process for the FOF refunds, vote, and subsequent. Jeez, why is it so hard to read this freaking word? Subsequent disbursement of refunds. Vote and subsequent disbursement of refunds. It details both the timeline and process for the FOF refund, vote, and subsequent disbursement of refunds. It is important to understand, so if you are unclear or any element, just ask a mod or a team member in the chat. Okay, and right here, when you click over here in this link, it will take you to the refund sheet. Well, it will take you to an Excel spreadsheet where you will see all the wallets that submitted for the refund. Bear in mind, guys, if you have not submitted the application form, it's too late by now because there was only a week to submit the form, and that was a while back. I did post on my channel when they released the form, and I asked everyone that was entitled to a refund or thought that they might be entitled to a refund to fill the form and send it out within a week. Okay, because after that, there will be no turning back. Okay, so I've seen a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but a few people in the chat, in the Fortune Hunters chat, saying, "Hey, where's the form? I need to fill that form to claim my refund." And people just saying, "You have to go back in time to fill that form." I'm sorry. So yes, guys, if you did not fill the form and you feel like you are entitled to a refund, I mean, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. Just reach out one of the dev teams and see what they say about it. Okay, so let's click on this image and let's see what's up. Okay, so over here we can see the timeline. On the 25th of June, that was 2 days ago, there was an AMA in regards to the refunds and all these timelines. Okay, so everything is right here in detail. So on the 30th of June, okay, 23:59 UK time, the appeals period closed. So that means from the 25th till the 30th of June, that means you have 5 days to check this spreadsheet, okay, and look for your wallets. Once you find your wallet, just check the BNB. So let me just show you the spreadsheet real quick. So spreadsheet is this one right here. All you got to do is come over here, look for your wallets, okay, and then once you find your wallet, so for example, if you are unsure which one is your wallet, just go to the MetaMask, okay, just look for the wallets and your wallet will pop up, okay, and then you will see over here accepted or refused. Okay, if it is accepted, you will see the amount that you're going to receive. For example, in this case, 2.99 BNB. Okay, total amount refunds depends on the vote decision. Okay, or if it's refused, that means you will see the red right here, and that means you will get nothing. Okay, simple as that. Okay, and if you are unsure about this decision, okay, they say over here, right here, it is important to understand if you are unclear on any element, just ask a mod or a team member in the chat, okay, and they will uh, reply to you, okay. Remember, guys, no mod or team member will ever DM you first. Okay, guys, if anyone contacts you talking about refunds, block, and report. Be aware of that, guys. A lot of people still falling into scammers, but no DM will message you. Even sometimes the scammers on the title says, I will never DM first. And what they did, they DM'd you first. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. Always stay alert. All right, so like I said to you, you have 5 days to check the spreadsheet and make sure that everything is right. So if you are unclear, just go to the chat and speak to one of the team members and um, expose your concern. Okay, so on the 2nd of July, right, there will be an AMA and they will start the voting period. So the voting period will last for 6 days. Yeah, 6 days. Okay, so you'll have 6 days to vote. Okay, and then on the 9th of July, there will be another AMA with the results of the voting. Okay, and then on the following day, 10th of July, they will start the refunds. Okay, but let me just make this clear, guys. This vote is a joke. Okay, it's a joke, and this is not actually a vote. Okay, because essentially they are forcing members to just select one option. Okay, because if you've been following the Fortune Hunters main chat, you will find out that you will have two options. So the option one, you will get a partial refund, like 10, 15%, whatever. Okay. And you will get probably straight away. We don't know yet. And you might be get your full refund, but like they say, it might take from 8 to 10 years. 8 to 10 years. Woo! That's a joke. I mean, like anyone that sees that option one, get your refund, partial refund, 10, 15% now, or option two, get your full refund in 10 years. Come on, guys. That's not really an option. What do you think people will vote for? Okay. Do you think people are willing to wait 10 years for a refund? That's not a joke. So let's say if I deposit one BNB, do you think I'm gonna wait 10 years to receive, let's say, zero point 0.5 BNB? Obviously not. Nobody's going to vote for that. So, like I said, that's not really an option. That's just forcing people, to accept the loss and move on. And that's what they are doing. But if they wanted to do it that way in the first place, why taking months to, come to this conclusion, right? So just put up a vote and let people decide it, because in the end, it's their money, right? So it's investors' money. So they should be entitled to an opinion. And also, the poll, the voting poll should have more options instead of just giving two options, because in reality, it's just one option. Okay, so essentially, they are just forcing everyone to take a loss. That's 5, 10, 15%. We don't even know how much we're going to receive. And then from there, bye bye, Fortune Hunters. Okay. So, yeah, it sucks. It sucks, but that's the reality, guys. We should take this as a lesson learned. Okay. And yeah, that's that, guys. So I'm going to leave the Fortune Hunters ecosystem announcement chat. So if you're not in this chat, okay, just join this chat. Click on the link in the description below. Join this chat so you can be sure that you are on the right page. Over here is where you can find information, and over here is where you can find the link for the refunds for these spreadsheet right here. I'm not going to post the spreadsheet right here because I don't want to for scammers to take advantage of it. So you come over here to the announcement chat and you click on the link yourself. Okay, guys. So my opinion, this is a joke. All right. So they took really long time to come to this conclusion, and this is not even a vote, right, guys? They essentially just forcing everyone to go for option one, which will be, partial refund. But it's cool, guys. Lesson learned. So in crypto, don't trust anybody. Okay, even if they say yes, um, we're gonna pump this smart contract. MOF is like a walk in the park. 1% is very easy to manage. All this and that, and then in the end, you'll be like, oh no, the community is draining the smart contract. People are draining, people are not compounding, people are not doing this, people are not following the strategy. Wait a minute. I thought you said MOF is a walk in the park, and then all of a sudden you have to rely on the community for this project to stay alive, okay? So that's just a joke, right? So that just shows that we shouldn't trust anyone, we shouldn't believe anyone in the crypto space, okay? And just follow the simple main rule, okay? As soon as you invest, okay, just claim, claim, claim until you ROI. So once you ROI, you are risk free, and then what happens after that, it is what it is. Okay, so that's just my opinion, and that's just my take from this fortune hunters experience. Okay, guys, so that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.